Tuesday's proceedings, Kelly Smith indicated that she was not feeling well and was excused from court for the day. All the police who were involved in taking statements from Jacqueline Apollos and Stefano van Rijn refute their claims of torture. During cross-examination, Sergeant David Fontaine said Apollos said nothing to him about the alleged assault.
He was warned by these people who were attacking him and injuring him and torturing him in the boardroom, if you say anything, we are going to seriously hurt you or kill you. Any comment about that?
Eerlik dra geen kennis van sulke gebeurtenisse, eerlik.
My Lord, I bear no knowledge of those things.
Fontaine was then cross-examined by Van Rijn's lawyer.
When you saw my client at sea border, at the time you saw him, were you told that he's coming from Jacobs Bay Beach where he was severely tortured?
Ek het geen kennis van so marteling nie, eerlik.
I have no knowledge of such torture.
The police officers prescribed to my client, told my client
Dat die politiebeamptes aan die cliënt voorgeskryf het en vir hom aangestel het.
that you must say
Wat hy moet sê,
Kelly told Buddha to take Jocelyn to Makarima.
Kelly het vir Boeta gesê om Jocelyn na Makarima te neem.
To put cherry on top. They even said, we had this information, we got this information that Kelly told Buddha to take Jocelyn to Makarima.
Eerlik, as hy so voorgesê was deur polisiebeamptes,
My Lord, in case he was prescribed by the police as such, my Lord,
terwyl ek nie daar was nie,
whilst I was not there, my Lord,
moes hy dan dit vir my vertel het, eerlik.
he should have informed me about it, my Lord.
En hy het nooit vir my gesê
He never told me, my Lord,
dat Jocelyn was na Makalima toe gevat gewees nie, eerlik.
that Jocelyn had been taken to Makarima, my Lord, or Jocelyn was taken to Makarima, my Lord.
So dit is moontlik
Therefore, it is possible
dat dit gesê gewees het,
that it was said,
maar baie unlikely, eerlik.
toch heel onwaarschijnlijk, my Lord.
On Wednesday, Van Rijn's lawyer will cross-examine Captain Philip Sikwe, who took down his statement. Aisha Ismail, Saldanha.